It's a several-year-long journey that's led us to this moment. I think this is just so out of my comfort zone, it's crazy.
My name is Zuzar Buka, born and raised in Madagascar. I have two beautiful kids. So the whole thing started with me getting a lot of injuries.
My dad was well overweight, health issues, back issues.
So I started walking, small walks in Madagascar.
We started going hiking, and that became like a nice father-son kind of bonding thing. Raj, he got involved too.
We were going on a bunch of hikes every weekend, seeing incredible scenery that I've never seen in my life before.
Having gained a little bit more strength and more love for this hiking, my dad had this idea of climbing the highest mountain in Madagascar, which was Peak Bobby.
We hiked Peak Bobby with my kids.
And that was a beautiful experience.
The most beautiful thing ever for me as a father.
I think it's such a unique experience to bond even closer with him.
And then after the highest mountain in Madagascar, we decided highest mountain in Africa now was the goal, so Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro was supposed to be the ultimate, we did something beautiful, together. But while doing that, something came to us.
Now we did the highest one in Africa. What's next? I guess the highest one in the world. So boom, Mount Everest is the goal.
Kind of a crazy nuthead idea to hopefully climb Everest in 1 year.
I was a little apprehensive at first, but the reason I decided to commit to it was because my dad's not getting younger. Every year gets harder for him to do it. So if we want to do it together, it has to be right now.
We talked about why not do that training. So we put in place a plan. So here we are on Mount Baker.
Yo, we are on the snow! Coming from Madagascar, discovering geese!
This is the objective, man. This is the thing.
Is it? Is it Baker?
Yeah.
That's crazy. No way.
It's part of a nice story that I would like to create together with my kids.
Very pointy. When you can see the objective, you're just like, there's no way I can do that. But I think together, we'll do it.
But it definitely brings a lot of joy, but it also brings a lot of pain. I won't lie.
I think tomorrow's gonna be super tough. I'm just gonna look at it hour by hour. There's a little bit of worry right now. It's not looking too great just because of my dad's, leg issues and the ligament issues. He might not be able to do it, and I can understand why he doesn't want to risk an injury in the long term.
I have a ligament issue due to old injuries, plane crash and this and that. If I see that the medication do not help that old injury, I'll stop because I'm for the bigger picture. Hopefully the kids will make it.
Hey, good morning, team. Time to get up and start getting ready.
You okay?
It's my left leg. Let's see if my ligaments do not give me any hassle. Except that, I'm here for the beauty.
So seeing him struggle really wants me to push more. So I know I'll definitely be able to do it. I'll push myself.
As long as one person of the team makes it, it's a victory for me.
Let's do it. I'm always just eager. I just want to get to the top.
It's about resilience. It's about perseverance. It's about patience. That mountain, it's a set of values. It's humility, it's perseverance.
When you're trekking at night and you can't even see your end goal, but you're just thinking about each step that you're making, and you can just concentrate on the fact that you're just concentrating on anything, but it's just going one by one. And I think that represents the journey of life to some extent.
And when you look at this, wow, the sensation of eternity, of infinity,
And I think that's the beauty of the world is if you put in enough hard work, the consequence will be expected.
You have a human being, and once he gets to a summit, it's of course he's helped by a team, and it's a metaphor of life actually. I'm the lucky guy here. To convince my two kids, 23 and 20, to come with me is just beautiful,
I think what gets us closer is the mountaineering aspect, but more specifically, it's literally that we're physically close to each other. When we're hiking, we have this feeling of accomplishment of doing this hard thing, but while we're walking, the best thing to do is to talk.
This mountaineering experience, this hiking experience can, unite generations.
Doing these kind of experiences has definitely brought us closer as a family, especially the three of us. We've been through a lot.
we did it!
So yeah, emotionally, physically, spiritually, especially you do it with the people you love. It's incredible.
April, May, if we manage all of this, we're going for it. Everest. And I know that these guys will make it. That's a fact. These guys will make it.